Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to configure to backup Google files in your Google account by switching the mobile data or Wi-Fi in Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to the separation, go to settings, go to about the phone. Now scroll down, go to backup and restore, click on it. Now scroll down and there is a Google account, click on it. Then scroll down one more time and there is a backup using mobile or material Wi-Fi data. So it will disable it right gray. It will backup only by Wi-Fi. When you click on the blue one switch, it will be backup by your SIM data and Wi-Fi data as well. Yep. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe and see you by next video. Hey!